I like to kind of like get to know like how certain things affect you on a human level. Like we've all seen the posts online, these fucking like, why'd you leave the car outside? Why did the dog bark and all this shit? Like, how do you process that? Does it make you like? It makes me fucking angry to read that. I don't know how it would make.
I try to look at why the people who are saying it. And I think that in many cases, it's because they feel guilty. And a way of feeling less guilty is to blame someone else. So they look for any explanation, no matter how ridiculous. Why didn't the dog bark? In order to shift the blame from them onto a dog. Imagine you're blaming, a dog for putting a bomb in a car and blowing the person driving that car up. So this not only, it helps me sort of deal with these absolutely crazy, deranged things that people are saying that would otherwise make me uncontrollably angry.
Do you ever get uncontrollably angry?
There have been moments where at the time of the murder, I was so angry. I wanted to turn up outside the Prime Minister's office, kick the door down and beat him into the floor. To me, he was responsible for creating the situation that led to my mother's murder. But that wouldn't get me or anyone I care about anywhere. And it's probably what the people who are responsible for the murder would want me to do.
So you deal with you avert anger through almost. Fuck.
Look, it's normal.
Empathy. Yeah? What you're talking about is empathy.
No, that's not what I'm saying. It's normal for people to feel anger, and it's good. What's important is that you have the tools and the ability to channel that anger into something productive. Many people lack this. Instead of doing something constructive with their anger, they do something destructive or they do something stupid. Education, working with the right people, learning from the lessons of others, listening to what people tell me.
Are you saying that the anger is still a fuel that you channel in the right direction?
It's a fuel for everyone. If, I don't know, if someone deliberately crashes their car into yours and you don't feel anger and you don't channel that anger into calling the police, what is your life going to be like?
But are you still angry today?
Yes, I am, obviously. And that's not going to go away. And I think it's totally justifiable. The important thing is that we channel that, me, my family, everyone who's angry about my mother's murder channels that into something constructive.